Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw inside of PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up your PDF or page you'd like to draw on. So I've got this one open for demonstration. Then from here on the top of the page, we've got these different tabs. We want to go in and click on the comment tab. Now to the right, we've got some drawings, so kind of right middle. So we can got the pencil here. We can choose that. We can add a stamp. We can add some shapes, lines, arrows. I want to go ahead and put an arrow in here like so. I can. Now if I want to draw some pencil, I can go ahead and draw some stuff like so. You can put in a signature if you're good at doing signatures freehand using your mouse. Now if you make any mistakes, you can go ahead and use the eraser like so as well. So it's going to erase your drawing, but it's not going to erase what's previously on there. See, I can't erase that black rectangle, so I'm just raising the drawing. Now if I want to draw out a circle, I can go ahead and put a circle in, or an oval, depending what you want. We've got more drawing tools. We can draw out stuff like this, so you can have a real bit of play around with all the different type of drawing tools. It is limited, as you see. Now if I want to go ahead and put a stamp, I can, so I'm just going to click out of that, cancel, click on the stamp. We've got different stamps we can put in, so if we want to go ahead and put a big approved stamp, we can, like that. You can put a few on there.